so I got the shrimp and the ground beef out. So the rest of this stuff, I'm kind of tossing it because I've been in there since Christmas. And the turkey I had two, so I cooked one. Bell peppers, chicken nuggets. More chicken nuggets. What is this? Steak. Hot soup, baked meal, more steak. Your favorite freezing on sweet potato. Okay. Pies, which I never make. I'm gonna try it. Then look at it. I really can make a, I be seeing people make, what's called this stuff? I need to find another one to eat. But I look at the date. I put the chicken pot pie. I'll put some for back today. Get out my ice cream. Done. These on it. Done. And got a little stuff I had a smell of it. You know, these are years ago, and I said that I didn't like the smell of him, so I stopped. And I always use Lysol to clean up. But my daughter ordered me this because I was mentioning that was whatever. But I remember now.